The Operation Reports section gives you detailed analytics about your salon's performance. Open the navigation drawer and tap Operation Reports. The Sales Report tab is shown by default. You can see today's orders with subtotals, tax, tips, surcharge, discount, and total. Use the date pickers at the top to set a start and end date, then tap Load to refresh. You can filter by status, all, paid, unpaid, or voided. Now tap the Payment Report tab to see a breakdown by payment method. The Staff Revenue tab shows revenue generated by each technician, including turns and total sales. These reports help you track daily performance and make informed business decisions.